Hi, Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today showing you the install on the console on this 2025 Chevy Silverado 2500 High Country. So this is a set of buckets with a console lid. Now I've already done an install on a GMC Sierra 2500 that has a 40-20-40, and the Sierra has the exact same seats as the Silverado. So refer to that video for the entire install video, but this one I want to show you how to do a console lid cover if you want to protect this nice leather and this High Country here. That's what this customer wanted to do. So again, it's not a seat, it's a hard console here for storage, just a storage console. I have the cover here. This particular cover happens to be the ebony croc material, so it's a simulated leather fabric. It's gonna stretch on nice and just get on here nice and tight. So the front section is gonna be this cutout right here towards the front, like that. So I'm gonna line that up, and actually what I might end up doing, I'm gonna do this. I'm actually gonna cap the back side first. So here's the back side right here, so there's that corner. I'm gonna cap that side and cap this other side here first. It's just gonna be a little bit easier. Now there's gonna be some Velcro on this particular console lid cover that we're gonna pull through on the back side. That's gonna attach to some of our other Velcro, but I'm just gonna free that up right here. Okay, so I'm gonna push that through right here. There we go. Okay, so there's that Velcro now. So 2 strips of Velcro on the back side. I'm gonna push through, and then I'm gonna get this other fabric through right now as well. There we go. Okay, so we have that through, the back side's capped. Now when it's capped there, I'm gonna stretch this forward and pull this on like this, right here. Okay, and then I'm gonna get the other side like that. Now I have had customers say, hey, I just want that console lid cover only. Can you just sell me that? Yeah, we can sell you just the console lid cover only, but it sure does look a lot nicer when you match up the front and rear seats. New seat covers, protects your leather, protects your upholstery. Looks nice. So now that we have these Velcro strips pulled through, what we're going to do is take this and just line these up like that. Okay, so there's one right there. Here's the second one, like that. Okay, so there's those 2 straps right there, and then these will come and stick on to this other strap right here. Okay, just like that right there, lining that up. There we go. Okay, so now I could take the scissors and trim those little ends if I wanted to. You wouldn't have to, but that cover is on now. Let's just smooth out the top, make sure everything's looking good. Okay, so now we get full coverage on this where you rest your right arm, and as you're driving, over the years you can get a big wear spot in your leather. You don't want that. Get it protected with a good console lid cover like this. Now if you want to see the rest of this install that we just wrapped up now, refer to the 2025 GMC Sierra 2500 video that we have. It shows the front seats, rear seats with the storage doors, how to install all the covers on the front and back. All the steps are there. We're happy to walk you through it. Feel free to contact us. We're happy to help you, and see more at coversandcamo.com.